How's your day, everyone? This is Aika, your real estate broker. Nag-iisip ka bang bumili ng condo or house and lot? For sure, narinig mo na yung mga terms na to. Pre-selling or RFO. Ano nga ba ang difference nila? Pre-selling, meaning still under construction or hindi pa nauumpisahan yung property. Ang pros na to, ibig sabihin, mas mura siya, mas flexible ang payment terms, and higher potential for appreciation. Ang cons naman niya is you need to wait for 1 to 3 years bago matapos yung property mo. While RFO means ready for occupancy, meaning you can move in ASAP or pwede mo na siyang parentahan agad. Ang pros naman nito is no waiting, you can inspect agad yung unit, and ang cons naman niya is mas mataas ang presyo, and sometimes yung mga developer ay nag-aas ng spot down payment or upfront cash. So, if you want to invest early and save money, go pre-selling. But if you want to move in or earn now, go RFO. So, yun lang. Follow me for more real estate tips. Bye-bye!